Hey guys, this is Stella from Y.K.R New Energy. I'm a global account manager. So who is Y.K.R? Y.K.R is not just a professional heat pump manufacturer, but also an innovative and adventurous corporate who is always seeking for solutions that to adapt uncertainties with the market. With our young professional team, we will bring you unprecedented experience. Okay, today I'd like to share our newest heat pump monoblock type with you. We also manufacture split heat pump, but I'll have to show you that one some other day. Speak about heat pump. The first thing you'll notice is the cover and build quality, which is very impressive. And the second, the units we offer range from 9 kilowatt to 30 kilowatt, which is generally cover all bases for domestic residential applications. Our heat pump offers 3 functions that your house needed: heating, cooling, and domestic hot water. All of our units, we use R32 gas, which is the most efficient and environmentally friendly gas out on the market. With R32 gas, we can easily bring the water temperature up to 60 degrees, even in the coldest weather. One of the shining points about our heat pump is the EVI technique we use. With EVI technique, can put the heat pump running even under minus 30 degrees. So low running cost, 0 emissions, and low maintenance, which makes this product standing out. Above all mentioned, our heat pump also uses DC inverter technology. For certification wise, we obtained CE, TUV, and achieved ERP label with A triple plus. So as you can see, our quality is ensured. Last but not least, I'd like to show you some of the components we use for our heat pumps. This is a Panasonic compressor, which is the most important part for a heat pump, and that's a heat exchanger. That's a water pump. By the way, all of the heat pumps has a built-in water pump, so you don't have to buy an extra one. And that's the connector. Expansion valves and a four-way valve. I guess that's all for today. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me a message. See you later.